So today's breakfast, I put myself is going to be sausage biscuit sandwiches using a 30-minute dough recipe using the sausages that I have. We're making mini corn dogs. I will put down in the description the recipes I'm using for today. Excuse my voice, I am definitely sick, guys. They're all done. 12-year-old's plate, 9-year-old's plate, 8-year-old plate. They're not always going to be the same thing every single day. I do measure all of these out, and here is what it's looking like. Here is dinner tonight, which is nachos that my husband cooked because I'm still not feeling well. Homemade chips, got me a little bit of chili. My oldest and my 2 youngest are the only ones who are not eating nachos. They just don't really prefer them.